Today we're working on the Kaabo Wolf King. We're installing the new road tires on them. We changed the front of them. Now we're going to change the back. Change the knobby ones into this street tire. So the tools that you need: a little Allen wrench. This is size 3 to remove the rotors. These little tire spoons to install the tire, or to remove the old tire and to install it. A size 21 millimeter open end wrench to remove the nuts. Some zip ties. I'll show you what these are for, and some soapy water. Right. So you remove the little caps from either side. Get your 21 millimeter wrench. Pop these suckers out. Right, so the wrench was a little too hard to use. A little ratchet and a little bar to get more leverage on it. Hopefully this would help out. Also, before you remove the wheel completely, there's like these little clips that are holding the motor cable. So just make sure you free them up. Like there's one right here. Not sure the size, but yeah, just make sure you remove it so you can have a little bit more space working on the wheel. All right, after you remove it, you put it to the side and just remove all the air.
This one's gonna have slime in it.
Yeah, this one's gonna have a little bit of slime because Jesus ran over a screw, so it might be a little bit dirty once we take out the tire. After you remove all the air, just take out the rotor so it can be a little bit more easier for you to work on, and you don't get, your knuckles don't get hit by the rotor. Next thing, you gotta try to see if you can pop the bead a little bit. See how it's popped a little bit? Right there, you see it? You gotta try to pop the bead all around so you're able to fit your tire spoons on it. Next, just put the soapy water all around the tire. Don't be afraid to get it. Just put a lot of it. A lot of soapy water. Make it a little bit easier on you. Alright. Tire spoon. I put 2 of them a few inches apart. Let's do them both at the same time. Just work your way all around. Pop. You can see it from this side. There you go. You got it.
And also be careful because we did not take out the...
Oh yeah, we didn't remove it, so we're only working with a little bit of space. And then just keep going all around it. So these are just regular motorcycle tire removers, tire spoons. This is why it was giving us a hard time. We had all the tire slime still on it, kind of dried up a little bit, but the inside is still pretty coated, warm. I mean, not warm, but liquidy. Just remove the tire if we can.
Well, at least you know it was doing its job.
Yeah. Just make sure at least you wipe off all the old slime, dried up slime, if you do end up putting slime in it. Now for the zip ties, I'm gonna show you why we're gonna use these to install the tires. So you got one side seated on, right? Like half of it beaded on. Now you want to get these zip ties, feed it through all the way to the other side. I'm gonna show you why right now. Tying them up. Put like 3 or 4 of them. Maybe 5. Make it easier. And what you're gonna want to do to each one? Squish it. Maybe 2 people and have 1 person tighten it. See it? Do that to another one. This one also might be a little harder. Alright, it's good enough. But that's what it's basically gonna come out to. It's gonna help you seat it. And you can just use your tire spoons, just work your way all around. Don't be afraid. We're almost there. Last one. There you go. Now, pop off the zip ties. Make sure not to cut the tire. Easy as that. You're set. Just pump it up. Install the wheel back on. You're ready to go. And now you pumped up the tire and you just do all the steps in reverse. You put the rotor, put the wheel on, you put the little clip to hold the motor wire, and yeah, just torque it all down. Now you got it all installed, on and installed. Just do a little test spin. And that's how you change tires on a Kaabo Wolf King. Pretty sure you could do it on a Wolf Warrior also, but this is how you do it on a Wolf King. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below. Peace out.